What if the only witness to a crime could never speak? Stay until the end to discover the shocking truth. The silent witness. It was a cold evening. The rain was falling. Emma was walking home. She passed an old house. The front door was open. She stopped. Something felt wrong. She slowly walked inside. The house was silent. A chair was lying on the floor. A broken cup was nearby. Then she saw a man. He was lying on the ground. He was not moving. Emma quickly called the police. The police arrived. They searched the house. There were no fingerprints. No footprints. No neighbors saw anything. There was only one witness. A small white parrot. The bird sat quietly in a cage. It watched everything. But it could not tell the story. The police took the parrot to the station. Days passed. The case had no answers. Then something strange happened. One officer walked past the bird. The parrot suddenly spoke. "Don't do it, David." The officer stopped. He looked surprised. The bird repeated the same words. "Don't do it, David." The police searched the victim's phone. They found a contact named David. David was the victim's business partner. The police questioned him. He said he was innocent. But his answers kept changing. Then the police searched his office. They found missing documents. They also found a broken watch. The watch belonged to the victim. David finally confessed. He admitted everything. He had argued with his partner. The fight became violent. The parrot had heard his name. It remembered the last words. The silent witness had solved the mystery. Emma smiled. Justice was finally served. But one question remained. How many secrets do silent eyes remember? Did you guess the killer before the ending? Comment your answer below. Thumbs up like this video. Push pin subscribe for more easy English mystery stories. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next mystery.